Take a ride in the 2010 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear-wheel drive, trailering package, daytime running lamps, inside you'll find OnStar, cruise control, cup holders. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.